Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem code for TestFlight. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the code for the TestFlight will be available to the web designers, will be available from the developers. So what you have to do is you have to be certainly in the circle of the developers. Either you're following them on some social sites, or if they have requested you to simply test their product, test their app on your TestFlight, then you should be able to receive an email along with the redeem code if it's available. Because if you have that, then you should be able to directly have an access to that particular project and test it further. So it will come, if you have got the testing request, that it will simply come along with you in the email. Or if they are a social presence person, then you should be able to have in their social platforms, they should be letting you know the redeem codes. Now once you've obtained the redeem codes, go to your app store, get your app ready, download it, and tap on open. Once I've opened, this is how the interface is going to look like, and you will find the redeem option on top right corner. Tap on it. Then you will find this kind of interface. Again, tap on redeem over there. Now add in your particular redeem code that you have received and tap on redeem at the left, and you should be able to redeem the particular code on TestFlight likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.